This new viral niche is absolutely blowing up on YouTube, and if you haven't seen it yet, you're seriously missing out. This channel posted just 14 videos and has gained 800,000 subscribers, then over 20 million views rolling in. The best part, this channel is already earning around $6,000 a month with minimal effort. These videos are simple hand-drawn stick figure videos paired with educational or motivational voiceovers. No complicated animation software, no expensive equipment, and you don't even have to draw anything yourself. Thanks to free AI tools, you can create these exact types of videos without ever picking up a pencil. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create viral stick figure videos from scratch using AI. Watch the video to the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single step. Now let's dive right in. The very first step is creating a solid script. This is the foundation of everything. Whether you're making an educational explainer, a self-motivation piece, or even a thought-provoking story, your script sets the tone and keeps your audience engaged. To make this easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with carefully crafted prompts that you can use to generate your own unique script effortlessly. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you've made it this far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more creators like you. Now let's move on. Open the Google Doc and copy the script prompts. These prompts are designed to help you generate engaging, well-structured scripts. Head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and input the topic you want your video to be about here, like self-motivation, productivity, personal growth, or even a completely different niche. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a script about self-motivation. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a unique, engaging, and ready-to-use script tailored to your topic. You'll get a structured piece with a strong hook, clear message, and natural flow, perfect for keeping your audience engaged. If you want a longer script, simply ask ChatGPT to expand the script to fit the length of your video. Now that we have our script ready, the next step is to generate a realistic voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. Go over to your browser and search for 11labs.io. Click on Get Started and create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech. This is where all the magic happens. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we created earlier. Then return to 11 Labs and paste it into the text box. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the script and remove any lines or spaces you don't want from the script. After that, click on Voices, and you'll see a variety of AI-generated voices with different tones and styles. Go through them and select the one you prefer, then click Generate, and 11 Labs will instantly convert your script into a smooth, high-quality voiceover. Give it a listen.
You ever have one of those days where your motivation is just gone?
Sounds incredibly real, right? Now simply click the Download button to save the audio file to your device. The next step is to generate the hand-drawn stick figure images. For this, we'll use Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the plus icon, which will take you to the image creation interface. Before generating the image, it's important to adjust the settings for the best results. First, set the image style to realistic. This will ensure the stick figures look hand-drawn. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the ideal format for YouTube videos. Now we need to create detailed image prompts to guide Ideogram in generating the right stick figure images. Go to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the image prompts. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Click Enter, and ChatGPT will provide you with detailed image prompts to generate hand-drawn stick figure images. Now copy the first prompt and return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the input box and click Generate. Within a few moments, Ideogram will create multiple hand-drawn stick figure images based on the instructions in the prompt. You'll see a variety of different interpretations, each with unique artistic elements. Carefully go through the generated images and download the one you prefer to your device. Now repeat this process for each prompt to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to get background music. Instead of searching for copyright-free tracks, we're going to create our own custom music. For this, we'll use Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you haven't already signed up, take a moment to create an account. Once you're in, click on the music icon, which will take you to the music creation interface. Since we're only looking for an instrumental track to use as background music, we don't need to worry about lyrics. Instead, we just need a music style that fits the tone of our video. Go over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music to create a tune for this script. Then hit Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will suggest a fitting style. Once you have the music style, copy it and return to Suno. Paste it into the input box, give your track a title, and click Create. Suno will now generate a completely original background tune based on the style you provided. In just a few moments, you'll have 2 different music tracks to choose from. Click play to listen to both of them. Once you've made your choice, click Download to save it to your device. The last step is to bring everything together and turn them into a polished, engaging video. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the hand-drawn stick figure images we generated using Ideogram. Since we're creating a video for YouTube, make sure to adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for the best viewing experience. Now import the voiceover we generated using 11 Labs. Once it's added to the timeline, go through it carefully and trim out any unnecessary pauses or gaps. This will ensure the narration flows smoothly and doesn't sound robotic or unnatural. With the voiceover cleaned up, it's time to sync the images with the narration. Play through the video and carefully arrange each clip so that it matches the spoken words. This step is crucial for making the video feel seamless and engaging. Now let's add transitions between the clips. Click on Overlays and choose a transition you prefer. Then click Apply to All for a cohesive look. Transitions help maintain a natural flow between scenes and keep the viewer's attention. To make the visuals even more dynamic, we'll enhance them with video effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects, where you'll find a variety of options. Choose effects that complement the theme of your video and apply them to different clips to make the visuals more captivating. Next, import the custom background music we created using Suno. Then reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. This balance ensures that the narration remains clear while the music subtly enhances the overall experience. To improve viewer engagement, we'll also add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions and choose a caption style from the available templates, then click Generate. CapCut will automatically transcribe and sync the captions to the voiceover, making the video more accessible and easier to follow. Once the captions are generated, play through the entire video to see if everything looks perfect. If you are satisfied with the editing, click on Export. Then set the video resolution to 4K for the highest quality and download the finished video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
You ever have one of those days where your motivation is just gone? Like you know you should do the thing, but instead you're watching videos about how to get motivated? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the truth. Motivation isn't magic. It's not something that just shows up when you need it. It's like Wi-Fi. Works great sometimes, but if you rely on it, you'll be stuck buffering forever. So what's the trick? Action first, motivation second. Sounds backwards, right? But think about it. How many times have you not wanted to work out, but once you started, you felt unstoppable? Or dreaded a task, but once you got into it, it wasn't that bad?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and drop any questions you have in the comment section.